All right, guys. So this car is actually already sold. I did put it in the title, but the customer requested a quick video on it. We're also going to take it down the road, kind of check it out. It's a 72 model Riviera. It came into the lot here, and it didn't last very long. So what it is, it's a good guy named Lynn from Florida. He traded it in, and his mom bought this car brand new. We had a guy that has bought some cars from us before that saw this Riviera as soon as it was listed. So it's going to be going to a good home. Tiffany and Lee will have this car in their driveway from now on. Just kind of walk around, show it off a little bit, take it down the road. And I got another car that I got to do this with today. It never made the website, and I was very disappointed, but a very good customer of ours, and he bought the Caprice convertible sitting over there. So there's gonna be 2 videos today. Cars are already sold, but were requested by the customer to come up on this channel. In other words, Monday we're updating with a bunch of new cars, so check us out, maplemotors.com. You can also get finance, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and 100 detailed pictures of every car. What we're gonna do is take off down the road and see how she runs and drives. And when I get back, I'll do the same with this Caprice. Man, I was hoping to get that one on there, and well, I guess I kind of am. All right, let's take off down the road. Okay, guys, we're gonna run it down the road a second, check it out, see how she runs and drives. Also get some outside clips. I'll show you something that does work. The seatbelt alarm, as soon as you put it in drive, it won't let you take off without putting your seatbelt on. That does work. Anything I see, I will point out and let you know. Let's see how she drives. This is my first time driving this car personally. People don't believe that, but I don't actually pre-test drive them. I get in them, show you what's going on. Live action right here, guys. Tell you what, this is straight as an arrow. I'm not going to the right, I'm not going to the left. And the steering's extremely tight. The kick down is hooked up. We're cruising down the road right now. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. I need to slow down. I'll do like 65, but this guy behind me is like trying to race or something. Looks like our gas gauge is working. Even the clock is working up here. Here we go, we got down to an average speed. The brakes feel great. There's nobody behind me. I mean, I'm on them right now. And they feel good, they're stopping fast. That's a cruiser right here. Sounds like we got a little bit of an exhaust leak up there. All right, I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here, get some outside shots, and we'll head on back to the car lot. So yeah, this car is not in perfect condition. It does have chips and scratches. It's an old paint job. So you can see a little bit of surface rust was trying to come through on the other side of the old paint. But it is a solid car. You see down here in the bottom where the paint's flaking off and the surface rust is popping out. This is just one of those circumstances where the paint is actually just chipping off and getting surface rust on it. Get some bubbling popping up right there. Of course, this is all disclosed in detailed pictures as well. But you can see it down in the bottom here. There's a little bit of rust popping through there in the corner. That would have to be fixed. This car is a survivor for sure. And looking at your lower panels. Really like the lines on this. We don't get too many of these in. $455 under the hood. And this hood is huge. Go ahead, hop in here and look around. You think this horn works? Go ahead, place your bets on that. Little game we like to play. Look at that package tray though. How cool. If I was about 4 years old, I could lay up in there. And it's got all the power options. One of those turnkey cars. You ready for that horn? Sound like it works pretty good. What about the wipers? Boom, flying. I can show you the mileage on it too. It's showing 35,000. But you know my saying, can't prove it. But with this car, it's very likely that that's original. Blower motor's working. That radio sounds good. All right. I'll tell you what, I got on it a little bit to try to pass the camera to get a good sound off of it. And she must be light in the back because it started spinning the tires. That was not on purpose. This thing's got some power. Okay, let's keep riding. We'll head on back to the lot. Okay, getting ready to head back. Oh, yep, got my seatbelt alarm. Here we go. Yeah, a little bit more power than expected. I went to goose it to come by the camera and she just started spinning. I let off as soon as it started, but definitely had more power than I thought it was gonna have. We're rolling through these parking lots here to get to a good spot to pull out. Try to avoid some of this traffic. We don't have any lights popping up or anything like that. Everything, motor staying nice and cool. Okay, let's keep going here. love how this dash comes in right here and swooshes back out for the passenger seat. It's really got a good look. Notice everything on this car is based off of a point. You can definitely tell the previous owners did a good job taking care of this car. Everything works. It's so smooth going down the road. Suspension feels good. About halfway up this road, there's a speed bump. You can listen for shakes and rattles. I bet you won't hear nothing. It's like we're floating in a boat right here. Could you even tell where the speed bump was? Because we did hit it. Oh, they got the Camaros out today. Sweet. We're right around the corner from the car lot. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. We're getting ready to go grab another car and take off down the road. Next week, I've got a lot of new stuff. So be prepared. I'm gonna be doing a walk around on Monday, showing this stuff off to you. Check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory, guys. All right, let's grab another car. Guys, in the future, you want to see the cars first, check us out, maplemotors.com. Every Monday we update. Usually you can check that out by the afternoon. And give us a call immediately. You can also get financed. Have that on our website. We also have shipping. I could put your car in your driveway pretty much here, anywhere in the United States. If you're out of the country, it has happened before, but you're gonna have to do a lot of setting up of shipping on your side. Once again, that website's maplemotors.com, so check that out. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.